Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to sign up and create an account on Fiverr for free. So in 2025, the best way to go about creating an account is maybe as an African, or in general, is to use these extensions. So these extensions will provide you coverage because Fiverr actively deactivates accounts that do not match locations. So if you are, let's say you are in Africa and you are creating an account, a foreign account, it's the Fiverr's algorithm would deactivate your account within a few minutes or could be days. But if you use these extensions, you would be good to go. So the first thing is to get this U block origin light, which prevents Fiverr from tracking your actual location. So once you do that, just click on it. Then you can see I already have it installed because I already have a Fiverr account. So this is an efficient content blocker. It actually blocks ads and trackers and miners. It actually protects your system. So what you have to do is to go on to first to install it, then download or install this Ghost Ray extension. So just this also blocks blocks does the same thing with the origin light. Yeah, the uBlock origin light. So you can add it to your Chrome, and the reviews are really great. It's a powerful ad blocker and tracker, so it's really good for your Fiverr account. And then the next one is a free VPN called Planet VPN. You can find any other VPN, but I like Planet VPN because it actually provides you the protection, a little bit of protection, because it's actually free. So it might not offer the best in the market, but if you have more funds, you can go for the premium VPN blockers. So this is it here. I have it installed. You can go for the country you want. I got the US Planet VPN, and it's actually really nice. So you can this is the UK on, this is the France. So depending on the country you want to be in, you can just get the VPN for that. And then this is we can once you activate this is the Planet VPN. This, you can just click on it. Once you've added it to your Chrome, it see it's connected to this United States Dallas. So you can go to this website, what is my IP address.com. It should show you your actual IP address. So this is what my IP address is showing us, and then from here we can now officially go on to sign up and create our Fiverr account. So to do that, just go to fiverr.com and you see the sign up button here. I've signed in, so you see it. So you can just go on, click on sign in or sign up, and then go ahead to fill in all the details. So before you do that, make sure you activate these three Chrome add-ons, extensions rather. Activate each of them. You see, for mine, all of them are fully activated. uBlock origin here has blocked about 5 ads, yes, and the same thing with the Ghost Tree. So they are really doing a good job, and since I started using this, I've not had an issue with Fiverr. I've created some accounts in the past that got blocked almost instantly. First of all, if you're an African, and you may or may not experience it, but for the better parts of, let's say, of my stay in Fiverr, I've actually created multiple accounts, and immediately, because of the Nigerian IP address, I don't know, they just keep blocking it. And but this is the longest I've waited, about 3 4 months or 5 months rather now. So although I've not been active on this particular um accounts because I have other accounts that I'm managing. So but this is just one of the this is actually the best way to go about creating these accounts. If you've enjoyed this, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.